CryptoEL here. Welcome to this video. First of all, I want to say thank you so much. About 126 subscribers. That's crazy. My channel went double or even more, like triple in last 2 weeks because of this video with the trading bot, and just want to mention that I'm really thankful. And subscribe to the channel so we can reach 1,000 next goal. And let's start with the video. Today's video will gonna be pretty boring video because we are gonna show the real deal, how actually risky is everything and how actually hard it is to trade and make profits in this volatile market. Yes, you always can just become lucky somehow, and like always I'm saying, just probably the most profitable tactic you can use is to follow someone that already makes profit. Yes, follow the trends, or at least follow people that are following the trends, because this market is completely trash most of the time. 99.9% of the coins are pure scams, and if you're in this field for a while, you completely know that, but simply want to mention it. Now also I want to say, if you contact me on Telegram, I'm offering only course for launching and deploying a coin on Binance Smart Chain, not on Solana. I can do on Solana, but not worth it. From my opinion, for now, it's not worth it. In the short future, I can came up with something so I can help everyone that needs help. But realistically, because I've done it a couple times, and I have friends that are in this field and making money with it, but also friends that are losing a lot of money with it. And if you want to make a coin on Solana, realistically, you're gonna need $5,000. At least $5,000 just to launch it. And on Solana, those $5,000 should be burned. You should burn your liquidity if you want to look properly and not sketchy, so people can trust you. And also, you don't want to scam those people, because you have to build hype before that. The marketing is the most important. So if you have less than 5,000, don't even try to launch a coin on Solana. 5,000 to lose, not just 5,000. But never mind. Just wanted to mention that. And on Binance Smart Chain, yes, my course is a little bit pricey, but I think for this market it's good, and there are happy people that are using it. So on Binance Smart Chain, you can launch a coin, let's say also for 5,000 if you want, but you can launch for 500. You can launch even for $50. But it depends on how good marketing you have, what hype you build behind it, if you do a pre-sale or whatever, and a lot of things. The marketing is the most important, but you're gonna learn a skill that will give you some value. And in the Binance Smart Chain, you don't have to burn your liquidity. You can just lock it, and when the coin is dead, just to unlock it. When everybody else took their money out of the coin, then you have the right to unlock it and take your liquidity back, so you just not lost those money, let's say those 5,000. But on Solana, you should. Those are the differences. And okay, so let's just trade a little, right? We have some SOL in here, and let's see what we can trade. I'm gonna do just a quick tutorial and to see if we can make some percents or if we will lose money. Probably we're gonna lose money, but let's see. I done already the filters. Market cap, too much market cap. This one looks interesting, but it's kinda too late. Let's see. I'm gonna cut it if something went by, just to not lose time. So we already lost a lot of gains, but we can make something, let's say at least like 30-40%, but don't know. Let's just see something. Okay, there are a lot of buys and not that many sells, you can see. So this coin is less than what, 25 minutes. And let's check when we should buy. I'm not sure how long it will take to proceed my, what's that? Priority, no. Insta buy. Okay, sleeper edge, 20%, crazy, but okay, let's do it that way. And let's see. 2 reds, okay. If we bought now, we're gonna buy here. So let's say I'm gonna click buy now. What I think you should, okay, right, it's here, not there. Yeah, that's the tipping amount. I'm buying it mostly outside of this menu most of the time, and I'm using also Telegram bot for pasta. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it that way. Successfully bought. Okay, don't know at what price. Let's see the holdings. And here we're seeing we have what? 9% gain now. 9% gain on my 0.01, so that's like $1.50. But the percents are the most important. So we bought at what? Don't know where to see the actually the market price that we bought it with, but never mind for now. Let's say we bought at 65 or something. We are 70% up, 17, and 75. Okay, it will go down and up and down and up. This time I think I'm gonna sell at, let's say, 90 something. Don't know if it will go up more than that, could be, but there are psychological boundaries on people's minds in which they are selling everything on those kind of lines close to 100. In my course I explain that, and not in my course did I say, in the video I think that I don't, because I don't have course about that. I have a guide how to actually work with Photon-SOL, but it's not distributed yet. So as you can see, we have what, 20%, a little bit more on, let's say, 90 something. We're gonna sell and we're gonna be on profit if we're lucky. If we are not, because it's been like 30 minutes, you can see market cap 80,000. Soon it will drop again, probably. I don't know. I'm just, you know, gambling. We're 20% on plus. That's like what, 30-40 cents. Never mind. Like you can see, it went down again, 75. Let's see. And if when it reach 90k, I'm gonna sell. Now if it reach, let's say, under probably somewhere here, that means that it's best to kinda to sell. Of course, this coin can go even 100,000, 200, a million, but nobody knows that. And you can just simply put some money in it, leave it like that, and in an hour or two you can make some excess on it. Or you can do like I'm doing, to make some percents. We're 20%. Who don't want a 20%? If I put $100, I'm gonna leave with 120. No, 20 bucks for nothing. Okay, you saw that candle? That was like 10k, close to 10k market cap down. And let's see the indicators. Okay, let's say we bought it where, on 60 something. Yeah, kinda 17%. Yeah, same. So we bought it, like I told you, on 65. On 65, so we bought it just before it went green, right? Yeah, like I told you, we bought somewhere here. It went to 65, or even it was here. Yeah, somewhere here. And now we are again on little profit. Surely and steady, it's going down. Now it should go up like that. Yeah, we're again on 20%. And a little bit more, and we should sell. We are waiting till here. Let's see if that's our chance. And this will be kind of part of the video. I told you it's a boring video, but that's the real things, you know. That's how actually to be, how to do some money, you know. Actually gamble. Yeah, of course, it's not casino. You can simply look the chart and, you know, make the rational decisions. But it is how it meant to be, you know, if you want at least to build some profit, or if something, but you should do that on a real good examples of coins, on real coins, like with a lot of market cap, or even on Ethereum, you know. Then in those coins, if you buy, you can you know, put a lot more money, let's say 1,000 on Ethereum, and you done 10%, it's $100. And if you're on minus, just wait until you're on plus. That's it, nothing else. I done that strategy, and for a month I done more than 400% on my money. I was not just waiting 400%. I was doing daily trades, but that was with futures. Probably in the future we're gonna talk about the futures, because if you learn how to deal with futures, I'm telling you, you're gonna be good. And that was what I was doing. But there you should trade more stable coins, not stable coin, but stable coins that are stable. I was doing it on Stellar. I love Stellar, like XRP and Stellar, but not fan of them in the long term, you know. Just work trading futures on Stellar. And I done 400%. Let's see, today 1-2% sell, 2% sell, 2% sell, and in the end of the month I was 400% on my money. So I think it's worth it. We didn't check anything about this coin. You should, but I saw already the burned, disabled. I saw it, you know, without even mentioning it. But yeah, let's see. We can go on loss. Of course, it's pure gamble, kinda. But we set our boundary, you know. On 90k, we're selling. Or we can lower it to 85 if it went here again. but if it went here again, it should go to 90 easily. We'll see in a bit. So I already saw that, you know, and I already filtered it, so it is kind of secure coin. You can see last 5 minutes is going down. Simply we can be on loss. Right now we're kind of even, but never mind. You're seeing live how it is, what you can expect. Like you can see that those are the last two that I were dealing with in the last episode, I think. Yeah. Last comment on the video, on this video is some person said if there is a option to set take profits. Not sure what that means. That's not a, you cannot just put option, you know, sell option or whatever. Ooh, sorry about that. So it is a sell option. You can just click sell and that's it. You should do it manually, I mean. Let's see if we're gonna go at least on profit. I'm gonna sell when I reach, let's say, 65. And you're seeing the realistic part. Okay, it went up. That's the realistic part of it. Okay, let's just sell. Quick sell, 100%. And we're gonna earn like what, 5%, but it is what it is, you know. If you are following it more, so we're even on loss. We put 0.1 and we sold 0.09. So until the transaction went, we went on loss. Yeah, this is the truth. This is the reality. I just wanted to show you, that's why I put less money. I'm not just showing you big results, you know, look how much money. No, in this field you are gambling. That's it. Of course you can put more money and in a short period, because if I put, let's say, $100, I was about to sell long time ago when I worked 20%, and that's it. But I wanted to show you how volatile the things are and how we are even on loss when we were on plus. You know, just because of the transaction didn't went on time, we lost 10% and we were on plus 10%. You saw that. That's why sometimes I'm using the BonkBot. BonkBot is buying and selling more fast than that. Of course, you should watch the chart, and if I put more, like the slipperage higher, more amount that tips, more tipping amount, yeah, of course it will went faster. But I'm not dealing with big numbers in here, that's why we done it that way. And yeah, I want just to thank you about the subscribers in the account, to show you the realistic results. Quick update for the end of the video. See now, I sold somewhere here, it went here, I sold and it probably sold somewhere here, 10% loss. Then it went a little bit, or we sold here, not sure, somewhere we sold at 60 something. And from this point on, the token is completely dead now. $3,000 market cap. Somebody took out the liquidity. You see this chart in here? Completely dead coin. So we sold at the last moment. That's why it's important to know what to do and at what time and position you are in the time frame of the token, you know, and you have to put your own boundaries. The money management is the most important thing when you want to make some profit. Like you can see, I tried to save the profit. I sold on 10%, but the graph is too volatile. The transactions were too slow and I lost 10%. But if it works faster, we're gonna be at least on even. And we won't be with a loss, you know. And I sold actually in the last moment. Now it's completely dead. So you see, just be really careful, be wise, and don't make stupid and fool things. Have a good one.